और निकलिए। नाहिल क्या बना रही हो?
We are making Bombay biryani. Not biryani, but Bombay biryani.
नहीं नाहिल अभी नहीं। नाहिल खराब बन गई ना तो तुम्हें खानी पड़ेगी सारी। ले आओ पेड़ा।
Here you go.
थोड़ा सा आटा देना था। हुन पा दे लसन अदरक। किस चीज का इंतजार करनी पई है तू?
Splash. Splishity splashy. What is this you see, dear viewers?
They know it's color. Color.
Maybe they don't know because it doesn't say it's color. It was for, I think, 2,000 or 5,000. Yeah. Maybe.
Bragger.
Never mind.
Liar.
Let's just go on with the biryani. Look at the texture. Look, bring it closer. Look at the texture. It looks like a smushed brain. Like noodles.
What?
My legs feel like noodles.
Your legs feel like noodles.
Yes.
Nice.
That's nice to you? Your daughter is in pain and you're like nice.
What should I say then?
You should be like, oh मेरा बच्चा, oh क्या हुआ दवाई चाहिए?
मैंने सलाद भी बना लिया है। नाहिल की बिरयानी नहीं बन रही।
Don't blame me. Don't blame me.
Blame whom?
Blame the biryani. Okay, biryani.
It's biryani.
Biryani.
You're Minahil.
Yeah.
What do you think about cooking?
It's mostly about the food.
Okay. Don't you think it's the most absurd answer?
What do you mean?
Like, what do you think about cooking? I think it's about food. What do you say?
No, I mean like the only thing I care about when I cook is what will the taste buds feel. They would be like, this is not good.
So you already know that whatever you're gonna cook is not tasty. So your taste buds are already thinking like it's not gonna be good. That's what you mean?
But half of my other taste buds are like, oh yay, we're gonna consume something yummy today.
What's cooking to you? Like, do you enjoy it?
Yeah. I like the smell of the honey. And the task.
It's not the smell, it's the aroma.
Aroma.
Yes, it's the aroma.
Would you like to sip some tea with the queen?
Where did the queen come from?
Since you're such a dignified lady. Since you're just being a show-off.
Who calls their mother a show-off?
Everybody calls their mother a show-off.
A show-off.
A show-off.
And a show-off.
Everybody calls their father a hero. Should I open this and mix it in water?
Yes, a little bit.
A little bit?
So many words for the broken heart. Hard to see. So hard to believe.
What did you just do? You excuse of a mother. I had a dream last night where Razia was all like, I don't like dogs, cats, something like that. And I was like all at her throat.
You what?
I was at her throat.
And what did she say? She was like,
She was-
Baji bachao, Baji bachao. Baji tadi kudi mainu maar liya hai.
Nana was like, calm down, calm down.